Hi guys. Um, Today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use features in Excel that you might probably already seen for a while in the Data tab in below the What If analysis. For Scenario Manager is basically a tool provided by Excel to make it easy for you to manage a scenario of your model. Suppose you have this kind of model. I have sales volume, selling price, that will be our revenue driver, and operational costs consists of salary, rental, insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and that will be our total cost driver. Then the result is the profit or loss, which basically the revenue deduct by total cost. So uh, if I have scenario, maybe this is current scenario is the moderate scenario, and I have the optimistic scenario. I might want to change maybe the sales volume if I on the optimist scenario, which will increase our profit loss to 35,000 or but in most cases the scenario not only talk about one or two assumption or two data to be changed, but you might or we might want to change some or few scenario more. Uh, Suppose I want other than sales volume, maybe the salary also increase because we have to hire more people as our staff. Maybe we have to increase our insurance cost, just 1,000, uh, just like this. Okay. Basically, uh, there are more things you should change if you change the scenario of your models. It's uh, you will have no problem if you only have to change one or two assumption, but you will have a problem if you have to change 10 or 15 uh, assumption in on each scenario. So that's why that's when the scenario manager came. Okay, we're going to so that's where the scenario manager came in to solve your problems. Okay, I'm going to change back to 450 as our basic or moderate scenario. Click on what if analysis and click on scenario manager. We have no scenario manager defined yet, and we have to add scenario manager. And when I'm going to name it a basic scenario, changing cell will be the sales volume of suppose I want to change all, change all, create by me, prevent change. That's where you change the value of the assumption. In this model, all of these will be changed, will be the key to change in our scenario. Okay, click on OK. We have basic scenario. I'm going to add more scenario, optimistic this time. Click on OK. I change it to 100. This is 600 and one. This is will be 110. She should be okay. Maybe 4,000. Okay, this is the, I don't know, 5. I change all of this assumption and click on OK. Now we have two scenario. You can do just like this. Basic scenario, I'm going to show you. This is the basic scenario. If you click on optimistic and click show, you have all the assumption is changed according of your input data when you input in this form right here. One thing you can do by scenario manager is to see the summary of this scenario, these two scenario, or all of the scenario you have in the scenario manager. You just click the summary right here, summary button right here, and I'm suggesting you to click on the scenario summary. The result cell should be this profit loss, and click on OK. Now the Excel will provide you with a new sheet called scenario summary, where the changing cell or the changing assumption and the basic scenario and the optimistic scenario for this example. And you can compare the basic scenario and optimistic scenario, all of the changing cell or all the changing assumption and the result cells. The left column consists of current values. This because this is the current values of the model is on optimistic. Of course, these current values will be the 37,500, same as the optimistic column. Okay, that's this simple video about built-in scenario manager by Excel. Hope you find this video is useful. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like if you click like, you find this video also useful. Share the video also, and I think that will be all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.